Back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a montage really easily. And the first step, you need to use Capwing, and just go to this link, capwing.com, and it should take you to this. And if you don't want a watermark, you'll have to you have to sign in here, and you can just sign in. And then you need to press new project, and start with studio, start with blank project, and then you can add audio, so you can download it or put in or paste the URL. But what I like to do is paste the URL. So I'm going to go onto YouTube, and I want the song Wishing Well. So what I'm going to do, because I've uploaded it on Epic Beats, you should go to subscribe, because I'm uploading songs every week. And then when you're on it, copy the link, paste it in here. And when you've done, you can listen to it. Yeah. And if you're wondering, it says output size up here. Make sure it's 16.9, because that's the standard YouTube version. And then to get your clips, you need to go to upload, and then you can get them from Finder. I need to go somewhere around here, and I've got a clip here. So find the clip you want, press open, and you can go over to trim, and you can trim it, and it says start to end, and you can press start 5 seconds and 10, and that's just how long it'll be. But I want to trim it to like when I actually get the kill, so I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to go back in, so I'd have to restart. So it's playing the clip in the top left. Okay, I saw I hit him at about 12, so I'm going to put 12 here. And that's the clip I would like. And then you've got your clip, and you can listen to the music and this. And also, if you find one of the others too loud, go into edit or do an adjust. And the video track is like your clips, and then the audio track will be the song. Wait, press it in. And you might see some of my montages. I've got kind of fancy intros, and I'm just going to show you how you can do that. So first you go into images, and then my favourite one is using Nightlight for the Fortnite skin. Then so find whatever image you want by going into images, image search, and type in what you want. And I like this one. Then I'm gonna change the background on the top, on the right side, where it says background color, and then click on. It should be white, I think, and you can change. I'm gonna go for green, like that. Then text, and you can put Minty presents. Then I'm going to duplicate it by pressing on the left side. There's like kind of two squares, and then when you click on that, it should just duplicate it. And I'm just going to change what this is. Put it to the song Wishing Well. So I'm putting your name presents, and the next side the song name. And then to make it even cooler, you can click on the image or the text or both. Go to animate, and then that is hue rotate. fade, reveal, vibrate, and flicker. Oops. But usually, so what I'm going to use is hue rotate, and it basically changes colours of everything on the image, and do the same on here. There is also different speeds of when you want them to change. So if you go over to animate, it says animation speed, slow, default, and fast. I'm going to use default for now. And yeah, you've got a cool intro. But you can also change this as well. So if you want reveal, fade, I quite like fade. So I'm going to use fade for both of them. And I can show you this intro. Then yeah, sorry if you won't be able to hear like the clip volume or the song. You can, but you can see the clips. And then all the clips will play. And you can add like lyrics. And if you want text but you don't want it to show the entire clip, so go here, click on it, and go here to. So on the clip you want to kind of edit with the about a text or image or whatever, you go onto here, and then this is 3 seconds by minute, and you want this to start at 1 second, to end at 2, so then it's only a second long. So this is normally, but I can change it to this. Like that. And play it. Just like that. Which is actually quite cool. So yeah, there's so much like possibilities and things. There's others, you can get like shapes. You can mute them, you can like rotate it like that. You can change like the outline colour. So maybe I want that. And as you can see, there's an outline. And then you can round the corners so it's like a circle. You can change the speed, so if you want like a slow-mo effect, you can do this. It's really cool. The sound is really annoying. It's really annoying when it's slow, so I would recommend muting if you're gonna slow it. Muting the clip if you want to slow it. Like that. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a really easy one. Also, if you're wondering how to get the clips, since I'm on Xbox, I know how to do it. And so you get your clips, and then you go over to recent captures, and then you select them all and upload to OneDrive, and then you can go over to Google, go into OneDrive, and then download them from there. So, but I'm not sure if you're on Nintendo Switch or PS4 or PC. I just do on Xbox. So yeah, bye. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed.